Get your Windows PC mobile phone and the cable ready, and let's get started. Take your mobile phone and go to the settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Tap on the build number 7 times. This will allow you to enable developer options on your mobile phone. Now go back and select System. Then go to Developer Options. Make sure it is turned on. Scroll down and go to the Debugging category and make sure you turn on USB debugging and select OK. Now open your browser in your Windows machine and type Platform Tools for Windows. You can also use the link in the description below. Select the first link. And under Downloads, select Download SDK Platform Tools for Windows. Click Agree to the terms and conditions and download. Now once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and make sure you extract the zip file into a folder. Here, not only ADB, you also get the fast boot settings. Now, right click holding the shift key and click Open PowerShell window. Type ADB, or you can also do Open Platform Tools by right clicking on the address bar and typing CMD and pressing Enter. Make sure you have file transfer on your device. You can go swipe down on your phone and select the USB options and set it transfer. Once you've done that, type the command ADB space devices. Once you do that, you'll get a prompt on your phone. Make sure you click allow. And once you've done that, phone works on ADB. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.